everyone, it's Jennifer, and today I have for you my Yarnable subscription. It's such a cute, that's so cute. I think that's an adorable mailer. I love that. So let's take a look. Alright. Let's get it out of the bag. Sorry for the crinkle sound. Alright. So let's look at the extras. Just because I want to look at the extras first. So, they come in the gauze bag. And we always get a card right there, and I'm looking to see if it's got a riddle. I always love when they have the riddle. Let's see. Do you know that Dole Plantation Pineapple Garden Maze in Hawaii has the record for the longest maze in the world, stretching over 3 acres? Wow. That's interesting. Okay. So that was an interesting thing. That'll make sense in a moment. So for extras, we got Soak in Pineapple Grove. That is the wool wash stuff. This is funny. We got iPads with pineapples on them. You can put these in the freezer or refrigerator. You can put them in the freezer for 30 minutes or in the microwave for 10 seconds and put them on your eyes. Nice, like a spa thing. Cool. And then we got a popsicle. Not really. We got the Grecian Soap Company, a goat's milk pineapple popsicle. And it is yellow in color. Let's see. There you go. There's the color right there. It's got a little white at the bottom. And it has a bit of a pineapple fragrance to it. So there you go. It's not real strong. It's just a little bit of one. And now the yarn. Dun, 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 dun. Boop. And here is the yarn. I love the color of the yarn. Get it to come in. Boy, that camera, that light is really blowing that out. Oh. Anyway, here's the yarn. And man, that light is just blowing it out. Oh, how awful. Let's see. Here it is. And it is called Straighten Your Crown. There's the yarn color. Right there. Now you can see it without the light blowing it out. It's got some greens in there. And it is very pretty. It is really pretty. I like that. It is super soft. But it's on DK. There's 246 yards. It is an 85-15 superwash merino nylon. And it is really soft. And it is just nice. I like that. So this is from Yarnables and at Hypnotic Yarns. So if you're interested, go and check them out. Absolutely love this subscription. It's one of my favorites. I would go and check them out. I really, really like this. It's a lot of fun. You get all kinds of quirky things as your extras, not your regular mundane things. So, in the meantime, please stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.